Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I have this 2014 320i. This BMW was having a problem. It was making a really loud sound from the exhaust area of the engine. Didn't affect the car in power, but the drivetrain malfunction error was coming to the dashboard, and it was popping different codes, misfire, overboost, low boost, and all that stuff like that. So it was not only one code, there were many different codes, but in this case the problem with this BMW 320i is then we were having problems over here, right? It was making the sound in this area, the turbo area. So the sound was coming exactly from this part over here. This is the diverter valve, this one right here. That's what it's called. This valve is in charge to release the pressure when it is overboosted or when it is just time to decelerate the engine. So what it's gonna do is open and close, releasing the boost pressure, so that way the turbo can rebuild the pressure or cannot just like get over pressure in the system. This is the valve over here. This is the part number I have here. This is the OEM equivalent. So once you open it, it looks like this. This is what it is. So there is a lot of people, what they do is to fix this problem, they rebuild it, because you can take it apart, see, and then you have the seal. So the seal over here is the one that goes bad and start making that sound, and you can rebuild it too. You can take it apart and all that, and it will work fine. And also there is a lot of people then those install a blow-off valve here, because you can buy a kit, then you can install over here, and you have to remove everything in here, and it comes with all the seals and everything, and you install it, and you're gonna have a blow-off valve as well. So that means then the diverter valve is gonna activate the blow-off valve, and you're gonna hear the pressure release on the exterior of the vehicle. So that's what people do. Some people do, because I mean, it's going to be kind of the same price of replacing the valve. It's kind of the same cost to do it. It is a little harder because you're taking some room, but everybody has a different opinion. In this case, I already replaced this little valve. This little valve is very hard to replace, and it is not because the bolts or something, it is just because the position where the bolts are, it is super hard to reach. In this case, you can see over here there is one bolt over here, and the other bolt is right hidden in there, in between the head and the front cover of the engine, and there is one underneath this one. So this and that one, the one is underneath this one, is easy to remove, but the one over here is super hard to remove if you don't have the right tools to remove it. So those are T27 bolts, and I mean, like, it's very intensive to remove just one bolt. This bolt that goes right here, that bolt over here, that is the one that is gonna be super hard to remove. And besides that, there is nothing special about this little valve over here. It is just a pressure release valve, opens and closes like this. This is a little coil, then activates the solenoid over here, so whenever it's releasing the pressure, it's gonna open it, and whenever it is going to apply boost, it's gonna close. So it's pretty simple, nothing special about it. So I guess if you are getting any type of problems of sound, like a vacuum sound, something like that, on your 320 or 320 AI, because they use the same kind of diverter bulbs, not much difference, that is what you have to look. Just look for that, replace it, and if that doesn't go away, I mean doesn't help to for the sound to go away, that means that you have another problem. It could be probably the turbos or an external leak somewhere else. This problem was happening as soon as you start the engine. Once you start the engine, it will start making the sound, and once you rev the engine like 3000 RPM, the sound will go away. So that's the way this problem was. But this is just a little explanation on what this is. Nothing special. I think there is some videos on YouTube how to replace this one if you wanna watch them. But I mean, like you can watch the video, but it is not so easy to replace this one, no matter what. I mean, it is just because the room you have is pretty limited. That's all. But this is all I have to share to you right now. So now you know, if you have a 320, 328 and it's making that vacuum sound once you start in the morning or when it's warm, that's what you have to check your diverter bulb. If you have any questions about this video, you can use the comment section below where you can leave all those questions. Then probably these videos didn't answer. So and also you can add experiences that you have about these engines. Then probably maybe someone else is going to learn from you, and I can learn from you as well. Make sure to like the video, and if you think that this video is helpful, be sure to check the description of the video where I have details how to support my channel, so I can create helpful videos for you, so you can do it yourself. You can repair your car, or simply if you just wanna learn. So subscribe to the channel is very important, and thank you for watching.